All right, guys, we back. Let's take it back to the late 80s with this 1988 Chevy Monte Carlo SS. She has the stock 305 cubic inch 5-liter V8. She's backed by a 4-speed automatic. Frame and floor pans are solid. Lower doors are solid. If you're looking for a G-body, guys, this the one. All she really needs is paint. Interior is beautiful. She got bucket seats, console. I'll let y'all guys in on a little secret that y'all may or may not know. All G-bodies are going up in value. And the Monte Carlo SS is probably the hottest right now. Driver's side frame and floor pans. Passenger side. Checking out the jambs in the lower doors. Deck lid. She still has the factory RPO code sticker. As y'all can see, she's nice and solid. Trunk nice and clean. Got an extra spare wheel. Interior's in great condition. Bucket seats, console. Seats show minor wear on the side. They nice and clean. Mileage reads a little over 41,000. Upper dash. Lower. Headliner. Back seat nice and clean. Package tray. Engine bay is nice and clean. She has the stock high output 305 cubic inch 5-liter V8. She's backed by a 4-speed automatic, power brakes, AC, power steering, cruise control. Let's start her up. Make sure y'all go over and visit rollingmuseums.com. We got over 100 detailed photos. We have financing available. All the contact information going to be in the description below. It's running nice and strong. Thank y'all for watching. Y'all have a good one.